Look who we have here, all tucked in and ready for sleep. It's our fluffy friend Mochi. It is time for bed. Let's say goodnight with Mochi. Look outside the window. The big, bright sun has gone to sleep. It's waving goodbye for the day. And who is that peeking out in the sky? It's the gentle, smiling moon. The moon is climbing higher and higher, bringing its friends, the twinkling stars, to watch over us while we sleep. The sky is now a deep, dark blue, like a soft, quiet blanket. Everything is calm and peaceful. It is time for Mochi to go to sleep, and for you too. Let's see what Mochi does to get ready for bed. First things first, it's time to take care of those tiny, pearly white teeth. Mochi hops over to the sink and picks up his little toothbrush. He puts a tiny dot of toothpaste on it. Are you ready to brush with him? Let's go. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Okay, up and down and all around. He's making sure every single tooth is clean and sparkly. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Great job, Mochi. Now his smile is as bright as a star. What's next on our bedtime routine? After brushing, Mochi finds his soft, fluffy cloth. He dips it in warm water. Swish, swish. He gently washes his face. Splish, splash over his nose, across his cheeks, and all around his sleepy eyes. Washing away the day helps him feel fresh and ready for sweet dreams. It's so relaxing. Now his face is clean and dry. Now that he's all clean, it's time to get into something more comfortable. Mochi opens his drawer and pulls out his favorite pajamas. Can you guess what color they are? They're a beautiful gum blue, just like the evening sky. He puts one leg in, then the other. He buttons them up all the way to the top. They are so soft and comfy. Now he's ready to be tucked in. Look at that warm, cozy bed just waiting for him. It has a fluffy pillow and a thick, warm blanket. Mochi climbs into his bed. He wiggles around a little to find the perfect spot. That's it. So snug and warm. But wait, he's not quite ready yet. There's someone very important he needs to hug. He reaches for his best friend, his soft and cuddly teddy bear. He pulls his bear in close and gives him a big, warm hug. It feels so safe to hold your favorite teddy tight. Mochi and his bear are ready to drift off to dreamland together. He snuggles down under the covers, feeling happy and secure. Before he closes his eyes, Mochi whispers to the night sky. Good night, Moon. Thank you for your gentle light. Good night, stars. Thank you for twinkling so bright. Saying goodnight to the world outside makes him feel peaceful. He takes a slow, deep breath in, and lets it out. He can feel his body getting heavy and relaxed. He closes his sleepy eyes. What will he dream about tonight? He starts to dream of wonderful things. He dreams of jumping through fields of sweet, crunchy carrots and fields of soft green clover. It's a happy, bouncy dream. Has a little smile on his face as he drifts deeper and deeper into sleep. Sleep well, Mochi. Good night. Now, let's see what we remember from Mochi's bedtime story. Are you ready for a few questions? First question. What does Mochi do to his tiny white teeth before bed? Does he wash them or brush them? That's right, he brushes them. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Teeth, so important to brush our teeth to keep them healthy. Here's the next one. What color are Mochi's favorite pajamas? Are they red like a juicy apple or blue like the night sky? You got it. They are blue. His cozy blue pajamas help him feel ready for sleep. And for our last question, who does Mochi hug in his bed before he goes to sleep? Does he hug his pillow or does he hug his teddy bear? Yes, he hugs his teddy bear tight. Having a friend to cuddle makes bedtime feel safe and happy. You did a wonderful job remembering Mochi's story. Now, just like Mochi, It's time for you to get cozy in your bed. Snuggle under your warm blankets, close your eyes, and think of your own happy dreams. Maybe you'll dream of playing in the park or flying through the stars. The moon and the stars are watching over you, keeping you safe all through the night. Thank you for joining us. Sleep well and have the sweetest of dreams. Good night, little one.